Hey guys, welcome back to Exclusive Auto House. Just going to do a quick video today on our Holden Commodore SS VE Series 2 in a 6-speed manual. It's a gorgeous car. It's only done 107,000 Ks. It's got an exhaust system, full tint all round, and a nice set of VF SS wheels. Heaps of meat in the tires, front and rear. The car is beautiful on the outside, very tidy all round. It's an X-Force exhaust system, sounds really good, very mean. We'll fire it up in just a sec, but it's not too obnoxious or anything like that. Very clean on the outside, no dents or dings, or any serious wear or tear. Front bar's in very good condition. Maybe a couple of minor rock chips here and there. Otherwise, it's a very, very nice vehicle. Once again, it's only done 107,000 Ks. Got 2 keys, good logbook service history. The interior is in very good nick. It looks like it's been under seat covers this whole time. Definitely a non-smoker car. Roof lining's in perfect condition. Of course, being the Series 2, it's got the newer center console and infotainment. And of course, the back seats are perfect as well. SS floor mats all around. And as you can see, 107 on the clock. The interior is in pretty good nick. It's got only a little bit of wear on the shifter here, but otherwise that's pretty common, even in the VF series. I'll just give it a quick start up now, give you a listen to the exhaust. Starts up nice and easy. Sound system sounds great. And you can really hear that V8 with the exhaust. I've got your books in here as well. Good service history throughout the years, always been well maintained. And we've also done the most recent minor service. So I'll just flick through quickly. It's got all the stamps in the pages here. So there you go, and you've got your manual inside there as well. Very tidy underneath the bonnet, no unusual sounds, and everything where it should be. So there you have it. There's a quick look at our beautiful Holden Commodore SS Series 2 VE in a 6-speed manual. Definitely check this out if you're looking for a good example of one. They're getting harder and harder to find. And once again, this is a very good one. Thanks for watching. Definitely give us a call if you're interested. Happy to sort out delivery, finance, and we also do warranty with all our vehicles. Thanks for watching.